Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to disable similar account suggestions on Instagram. So I will show the step-by-step process and it should work on your iOS as well as Android device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open any browser. Then here you have to log in your Instagram. You have to go to Instagram website. Then you have to open this Instagram website using any browser. I'm selecting Google Chrome. After that, you have to click on the three dot on the top right corner. From here you have to select desktop site. Then you have to click your profile icon at the top right corner. Then you will see the setting options. So if you have to click on the settings, then this interface will come. From here, if you scroll down, then you will see similar account suggestions is on, it's enabled. So if you just unenable it by clicking here, then it will disable similar account suggestions on Instagram. So this is a very easy and simple process. So if you want to disable similar account suggestion on Instagram, just keep it unenable. Okay, then submit. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.